Happy holidays. Does that mean we're done with real estate for the year? Maybe. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. For sellers, it's pretty clear the holiday slowdown is in full effect. For the third month in a row, the number of homes for sale in the East Bay dropped, a big sign that many sellers are done for the year. Buyers, however, are still in the market. Check this out. Home sales have remained stable since September. Okay, let's see what's happening in our local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Compared with last November, fewer homes for sale almost everywhere. Fremont, 28 for sale. Hayward, 39. Oakland, 188, down 30%. Prices up everywhere. Castro Valley, $1.325 million, up almost 30%. Fremont, 1.5. Hayward, north of 900,000. Oakland, 1.12. Sales mixed. Alameda, Albany, Berkeley, Fremont, Hayward, all up. Castro Valley, Newark, Oakland, and San Leandro, all down. We'll go to West Contra Costa County next. Homes for sale. More choices for home buyers. Big increases in El Cerrito and Pinole. Richmond, 52 for sale. San Pablo up as well. Prices up everywhere. Richmond, 750 up 30%. San Pablo, 707 up more than 50%. Sales mixed. El Cerrito and Richmond way up. El Sobrante, Hercules, and Pinole all down. Now let's move over to Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale. With the exception of Martinez, fewer homes on the market compared with last November. Pleasant Hill and Walnut Creek both down more than 60%. Prices up everywhere. Concord and Martinez both in the high 700s. Walnut Creek at 1.45. Sales, with the exception of Clayton, down everywhere else. Concord and Pleasant Hill both down at least 10%. Next up are the three La Miranda communities. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Moraga and Orinda both had 5 homes on the market. Prices, Lafayette and Moraga both topped $2 million. Sales, major cooling trend. Lafayette and Orinda both down at least 30%. We're going to check in with the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale. Buyers struggled with fewer choices. Danville, Dublin, San Ramon all down 50% or more. Pleasanton, 6 homes on the market, down 80%. Prices, low supply and high demand. Prices up 30% or more in Alamo, Pleasanton, and San Ramon. Sales, here's where fewer choices really shows up. Sales down everywhere. Dublin down more than 50% compared with last November. And finally, we're in the Delta. Homes for sale, mixed. More choices in Antioch, Oakley, and Pittsburgh. Fewer choices in Brentwood and Discovery Bay. Prices up everywhere. Brentwood and Discovery Bay both in the $800,000 range. Sales, mixed. Brentwood drops 20%. Oakley, 69 sold, up more than 70%. As long as interest rates remain low, it looks like buyers will be in the market no matter the season. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.